Now here's how you're gonna check the app installation and date on your iPhone. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course you might have some apps installed on your device, but you cannot really find it right away from like the home screen, for example. Instead, you have to open up the App Store and proceed to your profile. And in here, you need to go to the purchase history. So this is a place where you'll be able to see all of the different like information about the apps, purchases, and all of those things which you got through the App Store. And now that you are here, you may not see much when you first click on it, but there are some filters in here. So for example, right now, or when I open it up, it might show me the last 90 days, for example, and only paid apps, right? But of course, you can switch the filter and choose the cost to be free. So you also show like free apps, and perhaps you only filter like apps or in-app purchases, whatever. But when you choose the filter to be free and for apps, right, it will give you the ability to browse the applications which have been downloaded onto the device, even if for free, right? It's technically counting towards the purchase, but you can go through the applications, even literally just look it up through the search, but you'll be able to see that I downloaded an application which is for free, and it happened on that date. So I'll be able to see and go back in time when the application has been installed on my device. So as I said, the most important part is the filtering. So make sure you choose the proper date range, because it doesn't allow you to like fully choose all the time. So you can choose like last 30 days, 90 days, this year, last year, or custom, which is likely going to be used by you. And that way you can just look up the exact applications and see when it was installed. So let me know if you managed to find it. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe on this video so you never miss anything important, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.